How to activate OnePay Debit Card. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to activate OnePay Debit Card. Open or launch the OnePay mobile application. You will land on the home page of the app, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, tap on the Wallet option found in the bottom menu. Once you tap on it, this other page will appear that shows you a debit card. Make sure you tap on it. This will take you to the card details page. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. On the card details page, go to the top of the page and make sure you tap on this option named Your Card Should Have Arrived. Besides the option, there is an option named Details. Make sure you tap on it. Once you do that, you will see this page that shows the latest status of your OnePay card, indicating that it is currently being prepared, has been shipped, and is now arriving, with an estimated delivery date shown so you can track the progress step by step. At the bottom of the page, there is an option named Activate Your Card. Tap on it. After that, this page appears. On this screen, you're asked to enter your card information, specifically the last 4 digits of your card and the expiration date, to verify and link the card securely to your account. Once you do that, tap on Continue, and your card will be linked. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to activate OnePay Debit Card.